Aiboan, you are welcome to the internal live program today too. And in my last video and little couple of videos, I told you, and I have introduced you so many things about the astral body and also the ailments and diseases caught by the people and how they act like that. And I gave my priority on the good category during my last video. So today I am going to introduce you the second one, the second category. That means just after the death, as I told you, there are four places where those spirits and also souls and the what we called the current or like that, right? Where they are lying and where they are staying. The second category is called the black category because that is dark and can't see it, and they always they are also taking foods, and they are always taking food as the filthy things. That means not the fragrance but the bad smells. Now remember, when the smell, if it is very sweet and if the quality of the ingredients of that smell over and over when it fills, automatically the bad smell comes. That means for everything there is a limit. So unlimited fragrance means unlimited bad smell. Remember, those smells are the food of those bad category. That means they are eating the bad smell of the toilet pits and some very garbage pits and drainages and from the potholes and in shallow areas where the garbage are spoiled, and they are there are staining areas, right, in the shaggy areas, and like that there are so many areas where the bad smells are coming out. And even in a jungle, now for example, if you are eating meat, the litter is thrown away. Sometimes you may put into the litter bag or a litter can or a litter bin. There those bad spirits are living because they are eating it. They have been attacked by those bad smells. So those bad category is called black category. This black category has no brain. Now imagine that, right? You have to think more and more about this. Those, if those bad category has no brain, if that bad category, right, attacks to you and get the control of your physical, no sorry, not the physical body, mental body, that means your astral body, what will happen? You will do the things without meaning. That means meaningless things are being, or fruitless things are being done by you. You have seen there are so many suicided people, and they have thought in their mind that I should suicide. Why those people are suiciding? Because that astral body of that guy is under control of that bad category. You know, there are so many people addicted to the drugs around the world, in all over the countries of the world, right? They have been addicted. Most of the ladies, girls have been addicted to the tablets issued by those physicians. They take overdose as a drug. So why those things are happening? Because of the bad effect of that bad category. So this bad category has no brain. Imagine that, right? You have to remember very thoroughly. What is that? Your human body is also is consisted of astral body. that inside of that astral body, invisible body is there. There are three bodies of human, not of course human, for animals also that is common. So these three bodies only you can see in your naked eye, the physical body. You can comb hair, you can do lot of makeups to your physical body, but you are never doing, I bet you are never doing makeups for your astral body and also the internal body. There are another two bodies hidden inside of your physical body. So everybody of the country and also in the world, your astral body is controlled by either this good category as I told you earlier, or the bad category. That is the common factor and that is the theory. If you awaken your internal life, if you do meditations, if you focus your attention on a certain things, one day you will understand what I told you is correctly truth, 100% correct, like that. But unfortunately you have been never be able to understand this under this current situation on ongoing COVID pandemic. So that is why people die there, because this human body always controlled by those good category or bad category. This bad category, there is a special thing about that. They are running, they are experiencing, hidden life. What is called hidden life? Because they are not coming out of the house. They are always creeping into the rooms and also some buildings, and they are always associated with the dim light, not of course the direct sunlight. If you are experiencing, if you are interested in bathing sunlight, that means your internal body, though the physical the astral body is not controlled by that bad category. Now I have seen so many people who are suffering from cancer. Our doctor says that you are suffering from a cancer. Cancer means also that is the total human body and also the total astral body is controlled by hundred or thousands or 100,000s of that bad category. And there are varieties also. There are so many varieties, there are so many categories. But, right, remember, if you are suffering from cancer, right, that means your astral body is under control by those bad guys, bad spirits. And that is very same for corona also. Corona is also a category where the people are going to be died. And remember, this bad category, that means the black ones, they are always trying to give you the death as soon as possible. There is no need to death, to go to the death, to die. There is no need. The only thing is, there is no way also. There is no particular method, right? By an accident, by a road accident, or let's say when you are going to swim, right? Sometimes there may be an accident, and sometimes in your on your bed, in your sleep, right, it may occur. So as a human, if you are born, remember always there is a death coming just after you are born. And everyone's birth certificate, there should be, right, another side. That means your death certificate should be attached in the back side. Remember, you are born by taking the death into your hand. The same is true for me and true for the others and true for all of you. all over the country. So coronavirus is only a little thing or a simple thing. Remember, now we came to know through the media, through the news, right? There died a person, there are 100 deaths, there are 925 deaths, right? There are so many deaths. Those people have died not of course with the corona. Corona is the path, but with the corona, with the COVID, there should be other ailments like high blood pressure or low blood pressure, sometimes cholesterol, or sometimes asthma, and anything, right? So nothing is special. So this is very common for everybody who are having astral body. That means always, or everybody in this world, that means including animals also, have astral body. So if you have astral body, means you are in a risk. What is that risk? You have to check up whether it is controlled by the good one or the bad one. In my next videos, you have to keep up with them, right? In my next videos, I will give you a measurement, I will give you some techniques, I will give you some paths, ways to judge whether you are under control of good one or a bad one. So let's see that. So see you on my next videos. Good luck.